and you could have covered a 15 plus R on your trade. So hey, what's up guys, what's poppin'? It's your boy XO, and in this video guys, I'll be exposing the best forex trading indicator to grow a very small account. So guys, grab a cup of coffee and enjoy this video with me. So real quick, if you want to trade with me live every single day, click the link in the description to join my free VIP Telegram group. And also, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe. It's free, you can always unsubscribe. And don't forget to like and share this video to have this video rank in the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so this strategy is really easy. That I just want you guys to really stay calm and understand this video. I want you guys to watch this video to the end to get the in-depth knowledge on how to use this strategy. So guys, I'll be showing you guys how to not only take the trade, where to put your stop loss and where to take your profits. So alright guys, so like I said, this will be the best forex trading indicator strategy video to grow a small account. So with this strategy guys, you need one special indicator, and that indicator is, well, guess what? It is the stochastic indicator. And we also need the 200 exponential moving average line on our chart to help us split price into two. And yeah, so alright guys, so for this strategy to work, we need the stochastic, like I said, and we need to use the MACD indicator with the 200 EMA line to just split price in two so that we take trades in the direction of the trend. That is the whole premise of the 200 EMA, just for us to know where the trend is actually going to, which phase of the market are we actually in. Are we in a bullish buying phase, or are we in a selling bearish phase? Which is why the EMA is really important for this strategy. And let me give you guys the reasons for the trade, and the reason is we want to see a cross of the MACD for a buy, and the cross must happen. Like if you want to take a trade for a buy, the price must be above the 200 exponential moving average line. So at this point you can see a cross, but the price is below, so this is not a valid signal. So let's wait, let's look for a different cross. And yeah, I can see one at this point. So if you look down here, there is a cross on the MACD indicator at this point, and the price happened to be above the 200 exponential moving average price line. And why did I say we need the stochastic? The stochastic comes in play just for us for a confirmation, guys. The stochastic is a confirmation indicator for this strategy. All right, so we want to see a cross of the MACD above, and price must be above the 200 EMA line, and the stochastic line, so the blue and the orange stochastic lines must be touching the 70 region of the stochastic indicator line. I think it's 70 or 80. I think it's 70. So at least it must be touching the upper band of this, the upper line of this stochastic box, this purple rectangle box you're seeing. So it must be touching or above at this point. So as you can see, this one is not touching or above this point, but at this point you can see it's touching and it's above. So once we see that after the cross, then we wait for the price to wait for this the stochastic to get to that point, then we start looking for an entry. And guys, just look for an entry. Like you guys know, I usually like to take my entry after an engulfing candlestick for price, just for price action's sake. So but for this strategy it's really not necessary actually. So for this strategy it's really not necessary to wait for an engulfing candlestick. Once you see this set up a cross and you wait for the price to get to touch, like at this point you can see the price actually touched from this point. So once we see the touch, just jump in the trade. For the trade guys, we actually want to use the ATR for this trade. So the ATR value of this candlestick on the BTC USD, Bitcoin USD, is 127.27. Then we use a 1.5 value, the ATR. So we take a trade for at this doji candlestick for a Alright guys, so as you can see, this is our stop loss value and our take profit. Guys, you can trail your stop. I recommend you trail your stop, or you take a 1 to 1.5 or a 1 to 2. As you can see, 1 to 2 was a win. And if you want to trail your stop, I will show you how to trail your stop. So listen carefully guys. Once the price moves 1 hour into profit like this, move your stops to break even and trail it accordingly. Like at this point, maybe once the market gets to this point, then you trail it down to this point, and the market moves, then you move. And yeah, as you can see, we covered a 3.5 hour on this trade if we had traded our stop. So let me look for a different entry. Alright, so I can see a new entry at this point. So at this point, we can see that the MACD crossed at this point. As you can see at this point, the MACD crossed and the stochastic touched from this point. Alright, this is the point where it's touched. So we're looking to jump in the trade on this candlestick right here. So let's see the ATR value of that candlestick. As you can see guys, we lost this trade. So this trade was a loss. And so like I said, like I usually say in my videos, you win some, you lose some, as long as you make an income guys. So don't get scared by seeing this loss, because no strategy works 100% of the time. So guys, let me look for one more entry, then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so I found an entry on the Euro USD. So at this point we can see let me get that clear. So at this point you can see that there's a cross on the MACD just down here at this point, and the stochastic didn't touch until it got to this point. So this is the point where stochastic first did its first touch at this point. So at this point we look at this candlestick and get the value, the ATR value of this candlestick, which is 15. So as you can see, the ATR of this candlestick is 15. So 15, approximately 23 pip stop. So at this point you can see this is our stop, and you move to break even at a, once it achieves a 1 to 1, then you trail your stops accordingly. So if you had traded your stop, you could have covered all this move. And guys, this move is really huge. Look at this, covered all this move up to the up, like straight up to the upside, and you could have covered a 15 plus hour on your trade. So alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you found value in this video, please make sure to drop a like. It helps this channel out a lot, it helps this video out a lot, and I hope you guys subscribe, like, and share for more content like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Leave a comment on what video you want to see next, and I'll try my best to make a video. Okay guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Stay XO.